Welcome 8th standard children. This is your 4th English class. Now 3 classes I have taken the lesson. So I hope everybody will be watching and enjoying my class. Are you all getting bored? I hope no. So one thing, in the 3 classes I have explained to you all that lesson, and after that you all have to read the lesson very well and understand it. How many times you are reading, that much you will understand the lesson. If you all don't read, you all won't understand. Don't study the answers by heart, children. So you all read the lesson, understand the lesson. Now I want you all to copy down the meanings in your notebook and learn. These are the words you can see from the textbook. All this: ancestral home, apparitions, scorns, refusing to rise to Vandana's ball, post haste, and senile. These are the words. The meanings are there in the textbook. You have copy down from that in your notebook. And after watching this video, along with it, I'll be sending the notes also of 2 or 3 questions I'll be giving you all. Then after that, there is one here on page 5. On page 5 also there are few questions. The first one is, for how long were the Sharmas planning to stay in Nainital? Now in the lesson, if you read the lesson, you all will know that for 1 month, isn't it? For 1 month they came to Nainital to stay. Then where were they staying in Nainital? Where were they staying? They were staying in their father's friend's ancestral home, isn't it? Who was their father's friend? That is Mr. Robert. Yes, Robert's house, ancestral home they are staying. Then who is the older of the 2 sisters? 2 sisters, that is Indu and Vandana. Of these 2 sisters, who was the eldest? That is Indu. Indu was the eldest. Who reads a lot of mystery novels? Who reads? So that is who reads that? That is Vandana reads mystery novels. That if you all want, I'll be sending these answers also along with the other question answers. And on page that is on page 9, tick the sentence that are true. So you all have to tick the sentence that are true. That is, the path to the house at the back seemed different to Vandana, isn't it? Last night when they went, it was very clear, isn't it? The next morning when they went, what did they see? All overgrown with long grass and plants and all. That is true. The first one is true. Now the next one, Miss Brown opened the door for the girls when they knocked. So when they knocked, they didn't Miss Brown did not close the door. So as when they knocked, what did they hear from inside the house? Come in. That voice they have also. They just pushed the door, then they entered. So they didn't open. No, Miss Brown did not open. So that is false. Now Miss Brown appeared to be quite old. Now what about y'all? Miss Brown was a very old lady, isn't it? That is true. Now Vandana and Indu found it odd that Miss Brown had so many old possessions, isn't it? Old possession means old things. Gramophone, radio, grandfather's clock, all these are old possessions, belongings. So that is also true. That is true, isn't it? Miss Brown thought that they would enjoy meeting Jim Corbett. They would enjoy. That's why Miss Brown introduced the name in that story, isn't it? Jim Corbett means they'll enjoy because he's famous for those wild animals. He cares that wild animals. So that is true. The girls reached home before their parents did. Before the parents came, did the girls go home? No. When they heard the noise of the gate, they got up from there and they hurried to their house. So that is false. Mr. Sharma said the pa had gone out for 10 minutes. Mr. Sharma, yes, isn't it? Their father told the current has gone for 10 minutes. Not 10 minutes, isn't it? For nearly half an hour the current has gone. So So here Mr. Sharma had told 10 minutes. That's true. Vandana forgot to return Miss Brown's napkin. That is also true, isn't it? What Vandana forgot? Napkin, isn't it? So they decided to give it back to Miss Brown the next morning. So that is also true. So that exercise also you all understand, and also I will explain to you all these three. That is worksheet number 1. Wouldn't it be lovely if some adventure comes our way? Now who told that? Vandana. Now Vandana is very much excited, isn't it? Excited to know all these adventures, and also that is excitement is the answer. That is A is the answer. Of course not. We have just arrived here, remember? Of course not. We have just arrived here. Remember who told that? Indu told to Vandana. Why? She was out of frustration. Frustration means the house was unfamiliar, the current has gone, and she's not getting the candles, all that she was frustrated. So frustration is the answer. The path was overgrown with grass and weeds when I saw it this afternoon. During daytime, she saw grass and weeds and all overgrown, but at night it was very clear that way. So that what surprised these two girls. Surprise. Surprise is the answer. And also children, answer these questions with reference to the context. There are 3, 1, 2 and 3. Listen, someone is singing. So those 3 also I will be sending as a pic to you all, so that you all can look and copy it in your notebook. Thank you children. That's all for today's class. Okay.